The Keychron Q5 Pro Keyboard boasts a robust, fully metallic construction, promising durability and a premium feel for typing enthusiasts. With its 96% layout, it provides an efficient yet compact design that maximizes workspace while offering a full range of keys. The keyboard supports both wireless and wired connections, allowing seamless multitasking with up to 3 devices through Bluetooth. Users can easily personalize their typing experience with hot-swappable switches and programmable keys, making it adaptable to various preferences. The inclusion of KSA Double-Shot PBT keycaps ensures longevity and resistance to wear, offering a reliable non-shine-through typing surface. The open-source QMK and VIA compatibility allows for extensive customization, enabling users to remap keys and macros to suit their workflow.